Hey everyone, welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I wanted to focus on the soul patch, the missing link to the beard. You know it. Now with this quick tip, you either go nice and tight or you go full beard season, and there's really no in between. Now I say this because we want to keep things tight, or if we're growing out our beard nice and thick, we want the soul patch to grow over the chin, and that way everything from the lip down to the chin is one well blended piece of beard. Go beard glory. Now if you're rocking a short beard game, we need to keep it nice and tight, because if we let this soul patch go out a little more than 2 or 3 weeks, we start getting these wispy hairs that are uneven. And for me, my soul patch is not even once of it. So I have to pay attention to it. And there's one little spot right under here that we're gonna have to separate the beard or to the chin from the soul patch. So we're gonna bring out our clippers. Let's tighten everything up so that way we have a nice cohesive look. With that being said, I've got my mirror, I've got my clippers. I wanna take the edge of the clippers, no guard, and you have 2 options. You can either make a round shaped soul patch, or for me, I'm gonna go more for kind of a V soul patch. I think that will look better. The reason why, my hair grows a little off on one side than the other, so if I can, the one that's a little more bald, if you will, I'm gonna keep that a little tighter, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So get out your edge, get out your soul patch, we'll come in a little closer, and just ride it. Ride the side of your clipper onto the soul patch. So we evened everything up, right? We got the left side, we got the right side. But the one big thing that you gotta worry about is gonna be the lip, and if you're gonna be pulling back that lip, or the angle of your lip when you rest it. So as you're trimming, for me, I like to keep my face rested, but once I get right here to where the soul patch connects to the beard, I'm gonna lift my lip up just a bit. I'm gonna turn my clippers on. And with that, that's gonna give us a separation from the chin to the soul patch. And with that, those are the 2 things that we have to worry about when we're trimming up that area. So for me, I wanna keep things nice and clean under on both sides, and I wanna give my soul patch depth. Like I said, the one thing you gotta worry about is where the angle of your lip's gonna bite, if you're gonna be trimming that up. But one thing that you gotta be conscientious of is it is I call it the soup catcher, because as we're eating food, sometimes liquids, soups, wings, they get caught in that soul patch. So if we keep things a little shorter, it's gonna eliminate those problems. So for you guys that are having those struggles, keep that nice and tight. If you're going full beard season, you know, that's part of the game. So keep everything nice and trimmed up within between those times, and that way we'll have a nice sharp look. And that was it, easy peasy. I want you guys to stay tuned. I got some things back in the pipeline, so keep coming back to the channel. So like always, you guys like and subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!